Is breast pumping safe for mothers and babies? Let's find out. Yes, breast pumping is generally very safe when done correctly. Breast pumps help mothers express milk without harming the body. Modern breast pumps are designed to be gentle and effective. Using the correct pump size prevents pain and discomfort. Doctors and lactation experts recommend pumping when needed. Pumped breast milk is just as nutritious as direct breastfeeding. It provides essential nutrients and boosts the baby's immunity. Proper cleaning of pump parts is very important for baby safety. Always sterilize equipment to prevent infections. Store breast milk safely to maintain its quality. Pumping also supports working mothers and busy schedules. Do not overpump. Listen to your body's needs. If you feel pain, consult a healthcare professional. When used properly, breast pumping is safe for both mother and baby. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe for more updates.